For the first time in almost a year, the State Department has released an update with details on visa interview wait times worldwide. In it, they claim 96% of embassies and consulates have resumed interviews, and that they are processing non-immigrant visas at 94% of pre-pandemic averages and immigrant visas at 130%. But recent data from the National Visa Center indicates that visa backlog actually grew for the first time in 5 months. So which is correct? Stay tuned because we will take a look at the latest data on visa interview wait times, steps the government is taking to reduce the backlog, and what you can do if your visa interview is taking too long. And if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for regular immigration news updates. So what did the Department of State say in their recent update on visa interview wait times worldwide? As most of you know, for the past 2 years, the government has blamed COVID for the huge visa backlog, claiming that embassy closures, staff layoffs, and travel restrictions prevented them from processing visa applications. As of last week, they have officially stopped using the pandemic as an excuse and are now sharing information about immigrant and non-immigrant visa issuance around the world. Here are some of the important details they released. They have doubled their hiring of U.S. Foreign Service personnel to conduct visa interviews. 96% of their embassies and consulates have resumed interviewing visa applicants. Non-immigrant visa applications are being processed at 94% of pre-pandemic monthly averages. Immigrant visa applications are being processed at 130% of pre-pandemic monthly averages. In the last 12 months, they have processed 8 million non-immigrant visas. As of October, they reduced the immigrant visa interview backlog by 25% since July 2021. They issued 54,334 diversity visas this year, the highest number issued in 25 years, and they will soon exceed pre-pandemic visa processing capacity around the world. But if the State Department is reporting progress, then why is the National Visa Center reporting an increase in the immigrant visa backlog for the first time in 5 months? According to the data released in October, the NVC saw the immigrant visa backlog numbers go from 384,681 pending cases in August to 399,286 cases in October, a 3.8% increase. The number of documentarily complete cases also increased by more than 18,000 cases, from 416,856 to 435,063. Fortunately, the number of immigrants waiting for green card interviews fell by more than 3,000 over the last month, and the NBC was able to schedule 32,175 interviews in September, which was 13% more than the median number of interviews scheduled over the past 12 months. So it seems the State Department is finally returning to pre-pandemic visa processing levels, and while it hasn't yet resulted in a significant reduction of the backlog, it is starting to show signs of improvement. If you are still waiting for your visa interview and it is taking too long, the State Department also recommended traveling to another embassy or consulate with the shorter wait time if possible. There is no penalty for applying where appointments are available, even if it is outside your home country, so perhaps try finding another location that can schedule your interview sooner. What do you think? Will we start seeing the visa backlog shrink in the coming months? Leave me a comment and let me know. I'll continue to bring you additional immigration news as it's available, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't done so yet. Click here to watch this video and I'll see you there.